Good evening, everyone. My name is Aparna, and basically I'm from Hyderabad. And it's been 3 years we are living in Belgaum. Um, Actually, I had a few health issues. I was taking tablets for sleep for quite a long time, and the dosage was very high. And despite my tablets and follow up with the doctors, my sleep issues were never addressed. And Moreover, of late I started having very strange dreams, and they were literally bothering me in the mornings, and I used to be very upset for the whole day. And then when things went out of my control, when I started getting panic attacks because of these dreams, I talked about it with my yoga teacher. And when I was trying to figure it out, I came to know about hypnotherapy. So we went around, and I tried inquiring with people around. And then what I came to know is, if I contact any random person, the chances are that I might be get exploited, or they might be playing with my mind or something else. So the trust factor becomes very important here. So we cannot blindly trust any hypnotherapist. He has to be very genuine. So thinking about the negatives, I backed down. And then when I told you, when I discussed the same thing with my yoga teacher, he suggested me like I can contact Suhas sir. And when I tried inquiring about him, I came to know that I can totally trust him. And and finally, when I approached him, I came here with many doubts, with lot of fear, and I was not 100% okay opening up to him because the same fear of trust was there. But finally, I realized that I should have faith in the process and I should trust him. And then when I opened up to him, he heard my issues and he told me that things will be fine, not overnight, it might take their own time. And then he stated the fact that it will not be as they show in the movie. When we say hypnotherapy, it is not like what they show in the movies. So it's completely different. So then I felt right, a sort of a positive feeling, you say, or the trust factor, it started in me. Then I started believing it, and then the first session I felt very emotional when I was in a deep state of trance. I don't know, but I felt many memories which did not heal over a period right from my childhood. They came over up, and they triggered me, which I never realized them that they have affected so badly, or I had that wounds so bad. They were addressed, and after that day, I felt very, very relieved, as if a tons of burden was removed from my head. And then after a week, I had my second session, and that session was really a boom, because after that. I never had any bad dreams. It's been almost more than a month, because every day when I sit in meditation also, I used to get the distorted images and distorted mountains, and that people jumping into fire, or the pool of blood, which I used to see even in meditation, and I used to be very scared, and I never used to meditate also. I used to avoid meditation also. But after this, it's almost been more than a month. Now, till now, I did not have any bad dream. So every morning when I get up now, I feel little relaxed, little fresh, and even I started sitting in meditation again now, and I have never seen any bad dreams or any bad images in my meditation also. So finally, I'm very, very happy, and thanks to Suhas sir and the team of KLE, because it was very difficult for me to open up to people whom I don't know, and I was not even very confident about the therapy, because I never heard about hypnotherapy. This was the very first time I approached someone. So the first thing what happened here is, they gained my trust. They made me believe that things will be fine, and they addressed the things which I never even realized I had that issue. So thanks to Suhas sir and his team. Thank you so much.